Today, we're diving into the cinematic semiconductor odyssey of the IRFZ44N power MOSFET. So how exactly does a tiny three-legged component control massive electrical power? I mean, it almost seems like magic, right? This hero is the IRFZ44N, one of the world's most trusted power MOSFETs. And he's here to show us how he commands massive currents with almost zero effort. Let's look at his stats. 55. That's the first massive number our armored hero brings to the table. The IRFZ44N can handle 55 volts of drain to source voltage. That means it can comfortably stand right between high-energy circuits, acting as an absolute wall against that voltage, holding the line until it's specifically told to move. But wait, it actually gets even better. 49. This little powerhouse can handle an incredible 49 amps of continuous drain current. To put that into perspective, that is a colossal amount of current flowing through a component roughly the size of your fingernail. It's an absolute heavyweight champion in the electronics world.
Okay, let's dive into this. What exactly is our hero? Well, technically, he's an N-channel enhancement mode power MOSFET. In short, he's a voltage-controlled transistor built specifically for high current and high-speed switching applications. Instead of using a steady flow of current to flip the switch, he just needs a simple, highly precise push of voltage to open the floodgates.
Section 1. Inside the three terminals, the anatomy of the switch. Imagine zooming right into our character's chest to reveal a transparent digital window with three brightly glowing energy ports. These are the secrets to his immense power: the drain, the source, and the gate. And this brilliantly illustrates how it all works. Think of the drain as a massive power station where the energy enters and just waits. The source is the destination city where all that energy wants to go, and sitting right between them is the gate, the intelligent controller. The gate acts as this giant security checkpoint, deciding exactly when and how much electricity is allowed to flow down the highway. When things are perfectly quiet and the gate receives 0 volts, massive steel barriers remain firmly closed. Without sufficient voltage at the gate, there's simply no conductive channel at all. The entire circuit is completely shut down, meaning not a single drop of electricity can pass from the drain to the source. Moving on to Section 2, Opening the Quantum Highway, Microscopic Mechanics. Let's dive deep down into the microscopic world of silicon crystals and semiconductor physics and actually walk through the exact steps. Suddenly, a brilliant 10-volt energy pulse hits the gate. Immediately, an electric field forms beneath the insulated gate oxide layer. This field acts like a powerful magnet, creating an invisible conductive channel. The once closed barriers slide open dramatically. Now check out step 4. Millions of glowing electrons rush smoothly from the source toward the drain. And remember, while the electrons move source to drain, conventional current flows drain to source. The crazy part? It's all controlled entirely by that invisible electric field, not by a direct current. That's exactly why our MOSFET requires almost zero gate current to operate. But what if we only apply a tiny bit of voltage? Well, a low gate voltage creates a weak, narrow channel. The current really struggles to pass, which creates high resistance and, as a result, a massive amount of unwanted heat. Not good. But give it a full 10-volt gate voltage and boom, you get a wide, highly efficient channel that allows heavy current to flow with minimal resistance. So the crucial point is, proper gate drive is absolutely vital. Section 3. High-speed switching power, moving in nanoseconds. Imagine our futuristic laboratory suddenly transforming into a high-tech racetrack. The old mechanical relays are clunking along, really struggling to keep up. But our IRFZ44N? It's just blurring past them, switching on and off in mere nanoseconds, leaving those mechanical switches completely in the dust. Because it can move at those blistering speeds, it's absolutely perfect for high-speed pulse width modulation, or PWM. And this isn't just sci-fi, this is your everyday electronics. We're talking motor speed controllers, LED dimmers, switch mode power supplies, battery chargers, high-power inverters, and solar charge controllers. It safely commands these large electrical loads using just a tiny control voltage. Which brings us to Section 4, Heat Management and Comparisons, Keeping the System Cool. Even superheroes get hot, you know? Which is exactly why a low RDS on and a trusty aluminum heatsink are so crucial. If you push massive currents through the MOSFET, the internal temperature is going to rise, and a heatsink pulls that heat away to keep the circuit brilliantly efficient. Let's move to N4 and see how this builds when we compare our main character to others. Take its cousin, for instance, the IRLZ44N. Notice the L in there? That stands for logic level. The IRLZ44N can turn on fully with just 5 volts, which makes it perfect for direct connection to microcontrollers like an Arduino, whereas our IRFZ44N really thrives on a 10-volt gate drive. Knowing the difference between these two components is what helps you choose the exact right part for your project. As the lights in our futuristic laboratories slowly begin to dim, our IRFZ44N character stands proudly before a glowing circuit board and delivers this final thought. Quote, "Remember, I may look like a simple 3-legged component, but inside me lives the power to control massive electrical energy with incredible speed and efficiency."
It's so true. Every inverter, motor controller, battery charger, and power supply depends on switches just like this to function. So, what modern electronics will you bring to life with the hidden power of a MOSFET? The next time you see one of these little 3-legged packages sitting on a workbench, you're going to know exactly what kind of sci-fi magic is happening inside. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you next time.